Welcome to Blue Rose, a page for women's empowerment to learning beauty culture course basic in English. This classes is also we are taking in Tamil version. Overall need can be viewed in the playlist. Okay friends, let's go to the topic threading. We taken this topic as first because in beauty sector it classified into two ways. One is hairdresser and the other one is makeup artist. The hairdresser job profile will be based on different types of haircuts and hairstylist. The makeup artist job profile will be mainly based different types of makeups, means we can also tell that their life job profile journey given period for makeups always. But both of them cannot able to tell that I don't know skin maintenance and hair maintenance in basic scenario. I don't know such a way they cannot able to tell. In such a way, threading is the first step to learn for an beautician. So we taken this topic as first. Okay, we come to be known how important is this to learn for an beautician. Not only this, the client also given more and more periodicity to taken this regularly on monthly basis. It's more economic also, and by removing the unwanted hair and giving shape, the eyes looks very beautiful and the entire face get enhanced. So that's reason clients always given importance monthly regularly. Okay. From this we can come to be known that the hair growth will be 4 to 6 weeks. So again we need to do the threading regularly monthly basis. So not only this may get change person to person, that hair growth will get change for person to person depend upon their hormones. Next, threading means by using the thread, removing the hair and giving the shape is known as threading or threading process we can say. Okay, let us learn how to shapening the eyebrow by calculating some easy method I will explain to you. Okay, as shown in the figure, refer the figure of the right side. The eyebrow divided into three parts as 1, 2, 3 and pointed as A, B, C and D. While taking the eyebrow, always we should take the below of the eyebrow, then the upper side we need to concentrate. For easy understanding, while attending different clients, reducing the threading process time, it will helpful by taking the eyebrow divided parts. That's why I am just teaching this type of partition. Okay. So, while taking the eyebrow, always we should remember that remove the hair, shape the eyebrow always below the eyebrow, above the eyelid I was saying. Then only we need to concentrate above the eyebrow. Same way, then first we need to take the right side of the eyebrow, then the left side. Or left side also we can take, then we can take right side. Okay. Okay. As I told, I divided into three parts. The eyebrow is divided into three parts, 1, 2, 3 and pointed as A, B and C and D. This is shown in the figure. First remove the hair in A and C and D. Then concentrate in the area C. Like that same way A and B and D concentrate in area B. So what I am telling means B and C area we need to give the cut and bridge area. Below side cut we need to give, above side bridge we need to give. Depend upon their face, depend upon the eyebrow thickness, we need to give the shape. Okay. So while receiving the client, start to take the eyebrow by partitioning it so that easily can be able to understand it. We need to always keep in mind that removing the hair always below the eyebrow means above the eyelid. Then only we need to take eyebrow hair, remove the hair on the eyebrow, on above the eyebrow. Sorry. Okay. So every beautician following this method only to achieve the arch shape of eyebrow so that they will achieve easily. So we also need to be follow the same way. Okay, for the threading process, the following things to be needed. We will discuss about that. As shown in the figure, thread is required. Specially manufacturing of threading process, it's available or shown in the figure. We must need to, we use this only. We are not recommending any other thread because it will harmful for a skin. So this is a very good thread for threading purpose only. It is getting manufacturing. It is fully cotton slightly mixed of polyester. Thread number is 40. Next, dry cotton. Next, powder means the any type of face powder can be used, but in standard parlor sanitizer powder can be used. What is the difference between the powder and the sanitizer powder? The face powder will remove the only sweats, but the sanitizer powder will also kill germs and absorb the sweats. So now at the beginning stage, use the face powder which is available at the home. For practicing, just use that one. Okay. Next, moisturizer. Used for moisturizing purposes, this cream has been we are using. Now we will see the procedure of the eyebrow process. While we receive the client, make the client sit on eyebrow chair, provide a headrest. For takening the eyebrow, definitely required eyebrow chair because for a client and for an beautician, comfortness is required. So we need eyebrow chair definitely, but at the beginning stage while practicing you can be used sofa, bed, chair by using some pillows for your comfortness. Make it practice. That is not a issue. Okay, watch the eyebrow. Now what I am telling means we are receiving the client. The client is sitting. We need to watch the eyebrow of the client. Any mark is available or any hair loss, any particular area need to be anything is problem is there, we need to be informed to the client to avoid argue with the client. In later on that problem will be avoid, it will come. So to avoid that we need to inform as earlier. Okay. Then with respect to the face, analyze the eyebrow shape, starting the eyebrow process. As I informed earlier, start the threading process after applying the powder. Below the eyebrow, we need to do threading process. Then upper side such a way, same way we need to do the threading. Also, as shown in the figure, use the comb, make the shape, cut the lengthy hair by using eyebrow scissor. That also we are shown in the figure. Please refer that one. And also add the requirement things which is require these two things also while doing the eyebrow. Then again do perfect shape. Finish it by comb. While doing threading on right side, we need to stand the beside of the right side of the client. While doing threading on the left side, stand back side of the chair. It means we will stand back side of the left eyebrow. So while doing threading, our standing position helps to remove the hair by opposite direction of the hair growth. Next, always shape the eyebrow very thick curve line. This also should be remember always, because it always safe can be matched 1:1 later. The client also what else required can be corrected without any difficulties. What clients required that can be corrected easily, because we have taken the eyebrows very thickenly 1:1, so can be corrected later on easily. Then mainly while taking the threading, always need to be keep in mind we should not remove the hair at the end of the eyebrow. The movement of the thread should not kept on the eyebrow at the end position. We should be careful on that. In practical section it will be shown how the movement will be get practiced and so on. Okay. Now the entire process is completed. Remove the hair which is spread out on the entire face. Do it. Massage helps to get relief or relaxed on redness, scratches, minor irritation by using moisturizing lotion or gel or astringent. Okay, what is the difference for this moisturizing lotion, gel, astringent? Anyone can be used. Moisturizing lotion will give the best movement for massage. Gel will give the very light chill effect. Astringent will give instant chillness. So whatever else, in among three, anyone can be used. Okay. Next procedure of eyebrow massage process we will see. We completed the eyebrow, how the theory we have completed. Now the massaging by using this cream, just we will see about that. Okay. Take the lotion like any massage cream. As I told, gel moisturizing lotion or astringent, anything can be taken. Keep the cream in the middle of the both eyebrow by using our fingers. Okay. Eyebrows, rotate it gently. We need to rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise. Give a mild press and give a movement on the eyebrow and give a mild press at the end of the eyebrow. Clockwise and anti-clockwise on the eyelid along the eyebrow and press end of the eyebrow. Make to push back the eyebrow means lifting the eyebrow. The press at the end of the eyebrow. So these four types of massage can be used normally after completing the process of threading. The end of the eyebrow always give light press. It is called as pressure point. It gives big relaxation to client and love this a lot. So we will see the procedure of the thread handling. Next topic, thread handling, how we are going to handling the thread. Hold the thread end position on mouth. Mouth means tightening by teeth. Second, hold it by right hand and the thread roller on the left hand. Such a way we need to hold it. On the right hand, twist it 6 to 7 times and hold it. On the left side, we required rotate the thread, arm the finger and hold for tighten purpose. Okay friends, refer the picture. One person is doing threading by holding mouth and the other person is doing without holding the mouth. Always a beautician will do by holding mouth only, because then and there the thread may get cut off if the hair is very thickened. So we need to always holding the mouth is comfortable for everyone. Continuous means as a professional it will be comfortable. Okay friends, continuation of this theory class and practical class will be seen in the next class. Okay, now the everything we have seen the theory, but practical section will be will be there. Means theory is there for only reference. Make a record it. If you cannot able to record also, no issue. May take printout and file it. It will be helpful for any notes. It will be any doubts you can refer it. Means any future anything moisturizing lotion, what astringent, what we need to purchase, what I am telling, all the notes it is available to start the new person who are all want to start the business. It will be helpful learning from at the beginning stage. It will be very helpful. So you utilize this one. And thread holding procedure also, procedure just given. A practical section will be teaching you separately step by step, so should not no need to get panic. It will be telling, we will tell the clearly step by step. You can learn very and useful it. Okay, to learn and see the next class, please subscribe our channel and add your comments. It will help us to improve further. Thank you friends.